Hi everyone. In this video we'll be looking at how to use the Avada patcher. The patcher tool allows the ThemeFusion development team to deploy fixes and enhancements to all registered Avada installs simultaneously. This in turn allows you to keep your theme maintained and ahead of the curve. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos like this one. And if you don't want to miss one, click the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos on our channel. Okay, let's begin. When there are patches available for Avada, you will see a green alert next to the Avada item on the WordPress main menu. The Avada patcher can be accessed from the main WordPress dashboard at Avada Patcher, or from the Avada dashboard at Maintenance Patcher. You will also see a small notification over the Maintenance menu item when there is a patch available. When you come to the Avada patcher page, at the bottom of the page you will be able to see both any applied patches and any available patches for your current Avada version. To apply a patch to your installation, it's as easy as clicking Apply Patch. Depending on your internet speed, it will take 5 or 10 seconds and then you will see a green check mark in the status column that confirms that the patch was applied, and the button will change to Patch Applied. If there are multiple patches, start with the top one and apply them one at a time. Sometimes server setups are very particular about file and folder permissions and do not allow files to be automatically written to them. In these cases, applying an automatic patch might not work. If this happens to you, you can either seek help with your hosting company to fix the issue, or you can download the patches manually on the ThemeFusion website at Support System Status. It is important to note that if you do need to apply the patches manually, they need to be applied in the order they were released for the Avada version you are using. You then download the patches and via FTP replace the files that are in the patch folder. In nearly all cases, however, the automatic method will work just fine. Remember to check for patches regularly, as these can sometimes be security-related updates that should be applied as soon as possible. Okay, this concludes our video on how to use the Avada patcher. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.